In the dawn's early light they rise, sweat on their brow, no disguise, plowing dreams under the skies, hoping their hearts never dies. Sun-scorched earth beneath their feet, rows of grain their hands did greet. Each seed sown is bittersweet, echoes of labor in the heat. Fields of gold they toil and turn, in their hands are fortune's churn. With each harvest their spirits burn, farmers' hearts will always yearn. Morning dew is tears unshed, dreams of plenty keep them fed, nourished by the life they've led. Through the years they forge ahead. They wage a war with wind and rain, endless cycles of joy and pain. Silent heroes without a name, they endure through sun and flame.